The new Kubota U50 machine is a 5-ton compact excavator with latest generation 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine delivering low fuel consumption and is environmental friendly. The new exterior design of U50 machine is both modern and reliable. U50-5S is powered by Kubota's original diesel engine. Engineered with the power to maximize digging and lifting performance, it also delivers minimized noise, vibration and fuel consumption. U50-5S's one-pump load sensing hydraulic system ensures smoother operation, regardless of load size. It allows hydraulic oil to flow according to the specific range of the operator's lever motion. Additional benefits include greater fuel economy and smoother traveling. U50-5S offers high operability with agile and smooth movement with complete and perfect control. It allows delicate operation and careful handling under control. U50-5S has enough lifting capacity to lift up several materials in the job site. Kubota's zero-tail swing always keeps the tail of the mini excavator within track width when swiveling and when operation in tight and confined spaces. The completely redesigned cabin offering excellent all-round visibility. U50-5S's powerful travel force and smooth operation of dozer blade. It is easy to level the ground or backfile with dozer blade. You can save fuel with Kubota's auto idle, when the control levers are in neutral for more than 4 seconds. The engine RPM automatically idles. Move any control lever and engine RPM immediately returns. This innovative feature reduces noise and exhaust emissions while reducing operating costs. For additional operator comfort, the cab model includes an air-conditioned environment with ample space, good visibility. Easier access to the operating position is achieved via large door. Both side windows can be easily opened for better ventilation. The cabin with air condition is also available. All switches are conveniently positioned to the right side of the operator. The daily check service of U50 are easy, thanks to the large opening of rear and side bonnet of all important components.